It is past 5 p.m. The offices have closed.
Hi, it's your girl Say Dog.
I have not gotten a... Got myself some fruit. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It is the start of a fun and busy / maybe chaotic week. I'm not sure what this week has in store for me. I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog, but I did 2 auditions last week. I'm gonna come forth and say that today or tomorrow, I hope I get a call from my agent that I am called back, which means second round of auditions basically. I'm waiting for those calls today and I'm gonna put that energy out there. I will go. I just want to show you the process of like what it feels like to do this career. If it's a success, great. If it's not, it's okay. Anyways, today I have a shoot. Oh yeah, and then tomorrow I shoot my first TV episode. Yay! Yeah, I shoot my first TV episode, which I'm really excited for. It's a very, very, very small role, but we all start somewhere. I'm actually happy that it's a small role because I really don't know what it's like. And so I'm so happy for the opportunity regardless. Let's get this week started together. First, grab your waters. It is time to hydrate together. Are you ready? Did you get it? Did you grab your water? Go get your water. Okay, go. Periods. Yeah. Let's get the day started. I'm gonna hop on a call and I'll get ready for the shoot and I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Hi guys. It's me. I didn't film any of the shoot because it just was so out. It was like bam, 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 bam. Ba-bam, bam, bam, bam. I have to go over some material for tomorrow. I have a meeting and then I have not gotten a call today at all from my agent about second round of auditions for Wednesday. I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm hoping that I get a call at some point tomorrow when I'm on set because I really, really, really want to book this gig. So that's where I am. I've been kind of anxious and nervous the past 2 days. I don't know why I put this pressure on myself for this project specifically. I think there's a goal I set earlier this year and I would be able to check off part of my goal list for 2025 with these projects, and I feel like that's why I'm really gunning for it. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I feel nervous and anxious. For some reason, I really wanted a hot matcha latte. I want to take a second to drink my hot matcha, watch my favorite YouTube, and then I'm gonna start memorizing my material for tomorrow. I know I should not leave it till the last day, but for some reason, I like that kind of pressure on myself, and this isn't something that's like line after line after line. Like, I feel like I can drill it in. Yeah, I'm gonna drink my matcha and allow myself like 2 YouTube videos and then get to work. There's so much new content on YouTube. I think all my favorite vlog girlies just happened to upload. I want to go to Europe, guys. I want to travel. Or we can make money while traveling. It's past 5 p.m. and I haven't gotten a call from my agent. Again, I know it's so unhealthy to expect, but it's kind of difficult. I think for me, this is something I'm still learning to obviously like not have expectations. One of the most difficult things is like how much to believe in yourself and then how much to like, it's not expectation, I think, for me per se. I think it's like I really want it, so I put all that energy out, believing until the very end. I remember this one time, a friend of mine told me, ignite that flame and like don't let it go out until the day of the shoot because you never know what happens. And last year when I went to Romania, I didn't get called back. So I was like, damn, I missed that call back, but I was like still believing, and literally I booked that gig 2 days before or 24 hours before I had to leave. So we never know. We'll see if I get a call tomorrow for the callback. It's 6 a.m. My eyes are not open yet. Today is the day of my first time on set for a TV episode. Yay! My call time is 7. It takes about 15 minutes to get to the studio, which I'm so grateful for. I'm like, thank God. Last night I went to the market and last night I had to like steam some clothes to bring just for options. So I steamed my clothes. I already packed that in the car, ready to go. And I'm talking about this because why am I talking about this? Let's get ready. I need to leave in like a few seconds. Yesterday, I bought myself some fruit, dragon fruit, coconut, pineapple, and mangoes in here. I just wanted to get something in my stomach. And I also got this, which is a salad. It's a coastal kale salad. Looks so yummy. I just brushed my teeth. Definitely toothpaste in my mouth. To give you an update about my audition / callback, I have not gotten a call yet, obviously. Because the last time I talked to you was like, I don't know, yesterday night at 5 in the morning. They're not going to be calling me. But hopefully I get a text or a call from my agent today. I'm putting it out to the universe. If it doesn't happen, if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be, and it's all good, you know? But at least I have to put the intention out there that I really want it. I just can't expect it. Okay, just eat your damn fruit and go. Okay, I gotta go. Let's go. Off I go. It's my first TV shoot. I'm excited. I'm really excited, you guys. Excited! But I am also obviously eagerly waiting for a call. I know it's been literally 5 minutes since the last time I told you, but that's how eager. I'm waiting. Never give up. Hashtag never give up. Hashtag never give up on your dreams. Guys, go get your waters. Go get your waters. Since I don't have coffee, we're gonna hydrate with water. Okay? Go get your waters. Everybody go. Go, 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 go. Water's probably like the best thing for your body. See you there. I just parked my car. Here I go, guys. I don't know how much of today I can film, but here I go. Oh my God, I look so tired. Am I okay? It is currently 10:23 right now on Tuesday, and I still haven't heard back about my callback for tomorrow. Just an update. Okay, bye. Hi guys, we're on break for lunch. It's 1:25 p.m. right now, and I still haven't heard anything about the callback from my agent. I haven't lost hope, but I'm just updating you guys on the situation. So far, it's been really fun and quick, actually. Good group of people, so that has been great. I'm just super anxious and curious about the callback. That's the update. I hope I have a better update. My friend interviewed for a job recently, and she just heard today that she got rejected. I was just telling you guys that I haven't heard back, and when I was encouraging my friend, no, I haven't heard back either, but let's fight till the end, because we never know what our journey is like, and whatever that looks like for us, that is where we're supposed to be. Whatever is in store, if it's this commercial or not, I don't want to be defeated internally. I'm gonna be okay, whatever outcome, and I need to believe that. So that's just like a thought I had, not to get all weird and I don't even know if I'm gonna put this on video. Probably might. I might chicken out. If I win this internal battle right now, then I win, period. Okay, goodbye. Blech. Hi everyone. We finished shooting. I'm home, and it is past 5 p.m., which means the offices have closed. And I did not get a call back. And you know what? It's okay. Because it's okay. Am I sad? A little bit. A tad bit sad. I am a tad bit sad. But this is showbiz, baby. This is showbiz. We never know what happens. You know, we're like, oh my God, we were so right for the project, and then we get let down. It's all good. It's all gravy, baby. I say this out loud, and I'm like, internally, I'm a little sad. But life goes on, and we're gonna move forward. You know what I mean? And even while I say this, I'm a little sad. But it's okay. I had a great day today. Actually, I had a great day today. It was very quick. Everybody was so organized, very quick shoot, and I had a good time for my first TV experience. I wanted a call back. I'm gonna continue to fight in my heart. I know it's probably really not healthy and like no one should expect, but like here I am. When you call out to the universe, they will respond in one way or another. And it might not be what you think in your head, but it will pan out exactly the way it should be. Yeah. Thank you for coming on this journey with me, you guys. Remember when I gave that whole speech during lunchtime and I was like, oh my God, I'm not gonna give up yet? Crazy, right? Yeah, that's wild. I am actually tired. I'm actually a little tired. Tomorrow I have a meeting. 6 a.m. I have a meeting. Then I have another meeting from 8:30. Then I have another meeting at 11. And then I have I have to edit. And then I have another meeting at 6:30 p.m. Oh my God, meetings on meeting work beyond. It's also so unbelievable. Unbelievably hot right now. And you may ask, like, why are you wearing a hoodie? And the answer is, I smell so freaking bad. Like, there's only so much deodorant can do, and I smell freaking, if onions were to fart on, I don't know, I can't, like, I just smell like onions, fried onions. That's actually smells probably. My armpits smell like onions, obviously, because I've been like dancing and like moving throughout the day. So I needed to put this hoodie on top of my smelly armpits to contain the smell, and what I have underneath the hoodie is a tank top, and in theory I would like to walk around with just the tank top, you know what I mean? But I might kill some people. Like, I could have killed my cast members when I was saying bye to them. So I had to put this hoodie on. Yeah. yeah. I am wiped from today. I am gonna eat my delicious kale salad. Oh. Interesting. Bomb though. Can I tell you something? I was wishing that I was gonna be like, oh my god, guys, like I'm gonna keep updating you throughout the day. Like I might get it, and then go to the camera and be like, I got it. I wish that was a scenario. And I'm gonna talk about it because I'm here on this channel. This is how my day is. This is my diary. This is the truth. This is how I feel right now. So I'm gonna share it with you, obviously, because you guys are my friends. What? So just gonna talk about it out loud with you. Don't feel bad for me, because I'm not giving up until the end, period. Point blank, period. And the salad is just low-key fire. I think I'm gonna stop my vlog here because I have a very, very, very long week of like just work stuff. But I will see you next week again with hopefully some better news, okay? I don't wanna end the vlog sad, what the hell? That's so lame. Okay, well, I love you guys and thank you guys for being here for me and for cheering me on. Give me a thumbs up if you want to cheer me on. Cheer me on. Give me a thumbs up. I can't even say the word. Thumbs up for cheering me up. Thumbs down if you're like you're complaining too much. Be real with me, okay? I also just washed my hands and they smell really good and citrusy. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys next week, okay? Love you.
I would like to end the vlog on a very positive note. And that note is, I'm not allowed to let my dog on the couch, but I want to snuggle with him for a little bit. Do you think I should let him? I'm so tempted. Oh my God, this is so bad. No, I really shouldn't. I just wanted to have a little time with you. You love mommy? Okay, I think he does. This is how we should end the vlog, right? I'm so happy. It's a little heavy. Say, haha, it's the next day. And mommy, she let me on the bed and she's cuddling me on the bed. I'm the king. Right, Benzo? Are you so happy? Mm-hmm.